Good morning. Basically, ang context ng vlog na to is I'm gonna take you guys with me sa exam week namin. Exam week, pero it's already Friday. Tapos may exam kami tomorrow, Saturday. And may exam ulit kami ng Monday for physiology. So, let's see how it works. This is my case right now. Currently having breakfast. Actually, 4 days ago, I was hospitalized because of gout. So, ayun, yung scar. Kakapasok ko lang kahapon ulit sa school. So yeah, I'm currently taking breakfast, cereal, kasi madaming bawal sa akin. So, I'm gonna show you. This is my cereal. Dito ako sa bed. And currently watching Sabian, one of my favorite med school vloggers out there. So just watching her vlogs while having my breakfast. Okay guys, bye-bye. I'm gonna take you guys with me today kung ano mangyayari. It's gonna be a day of aral, lecture, and tulog.
September 15th, 2000.
Now it's time to drink some medicine for my gout. Cheers. This is a vitamin we got from South Korea. Nung nagpunta kami sa South Korea, binili to ni Mami. So, this vitamin is actually really good. Not sponsored. I'm very sorry for the noise ngayon, pero lumabas ako kasi I felt the need to explain to you what's gonna happen for this day. And tulog yung kapatid ko sa loob. I don't want to disturb him. So, basically what's gonna happen is that pupunta ako ng library ng 9. I'm gonna start preparing now at 8:30. I think it's 8:30 now. And then, by 10 or 10:30 maybe, pupunta ako sa mall to have my haircut kasi yung sobrang haba na ng buhok ko, tapos tingnan ko kami nakatayo pang buhok. After that, kakaroon kami ng lecture for the whole afternoon. Like, 1 to 5 physiology lecture. That is kind of our final lecture before the exam on Monday. So, yeah. Basically, I'm doing everything that I can to stay motivated and not lose my momentum sa studying. Kasi kapag nagpatinag tayo, walang mangyayari. Nakadorm ako kasi I live 40 minutes away from Dagupan. And kung mag-uwian ako, it's gonna be a waste of energy and time. Kaya tayo naka-boarding. Okay? So enough blabbering na. I'm gonna go back and prepare. I'll see you kapag katapos na mag-prepare. Bye-bye! Okay guys, let's go. But first thing first, bili muna tayo ng tubig. Stay hydrated. Magkano po dito? Ito po. Thank you. Actually, I have a choice na mag-study dito sa mga cafe na nandito. But, you know, it's magastos and bawal ako sa drinks, colored drinks. Kaya, I'm trying very hard to avoid those stuff para hindi na magsige yung gout ko ulit. And right now, I'm just walking to school. And I will see you later in the library. Guys, next stop to the mall for the haircut. So I'll just see you there. Bye. I'm trying to look for something na pwedeng magamit sa dorm. Kasi feeling ko may mga kulang pa. Feeling ko lang naman may mga kulang pa pero try natin hanapin dito. Dito ako sa Japan Home Center. So, ng chopstick. Alam mo yung parang Korean spoon. Sige, check natin. So, mga utensils.
One eternity later.
Wala akong makita. So, pinagal-tagal ko sa Japan Home Center, wala akong nakita. I'm just gonna go back sa school. Okay? Hey guys, I just got changed to my white uniform with my new haircut. Finally, mukhang tao na din ako. Now I'm gonna go to school and have lunch.
So when I say hematemesis, it means
Vomiting with blood. Hi everyone, it's currently break time. How many hours still? Oh, like final na vlog nito. Yes.
Together with for the rest. How many? Secret.
Bali, bawing-bawi tayo sa CR sa bagong medicine building. So, background, magkakaroon pa kami ng bagong medicine building. So, pag gandun pa kami araw-araw na ako mag-vlog. Kasi maganda na. Vlogging. Kaninang morning pa ako nag-vlog pagkagising ko.
Wow!
Complete na talaga siya. I made sure.
Found ano yan?
Ano newfound?
Di ko alam.
Di make sure ko talaga na makakapag-vlog ako para hindi sayang yung storage. Sana all chill lang. Guys, it's already 3:06 and yung lecture magre-resume ng 3:08. So we still have 2 minutes to come back. Ang topic namin today ay carbohydrate metabolism, the liver, hunger and satiety, everything facial. Kadiri yung ano? Kadiri yung CR ng lalaki, ay yung toilet. May Oo, na hindi binuhusan. Sa 5 cubicle, isa lang yung may toilet, the rest pang liguan. Pagkakita natin ng Lipton dun sa slide, tingin lahat agad kay title.
Pero technically kasi sito naman dapat yun. Pero kasi
Din,
naman siya
Lipton din.
Oo, din.
Nag-Lipton din siya. Review tayo
Review talaga tayo.
sa Gigs University.
Wala naman akong pera. Nagmamakawan na ako sa tatay ko.
Oh, there's the Lipton guy.
You had all the time in the world in the morning. You write it down. Utilize what you need to your organs.
Formation of many chemical compounds from intermediate products of carbohydrate metabolism.
Sign the paper now.
Hi everyone, I'm very sorry sa haggard ko na face. Hala, grabe yung grabe yung eye bags yan. Hala, maghilamos muna ako ng mukha. But anyways, time check, it's already 10:54. And kakatapos, actually hindi pa tapos. Madami pa akong kailangang aralin. Pero I think nasa 80% na ako. So nasa 20% na lang yung kailangan kong tapusin sa embryology. And then, that's what happened this day. The reason why umuwi na ako, actually I could still stay there with my classmates. Pero umuwi na ako kasi first, hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner. Magsi-cereal pa lang ako. And then secondly, super late na din. And thirdly, ang init dun sa cafe. So, like, nagpapawisan kami kanina. And so, ewan ko lang kung paano natitiis ng mga classmate ko na mag-review. Medyo mainit dun sa cafe ba. Anyways, I'm home. I'm at the dorm and inon ko na yung aircon for the lamig. For the lamig. Tapos ngayon maghilamos muna ako naman kasi haggard ko na. Pero I think I'm going to prepare cereal first for dinner. Sinuna ko pa pala maligo. Kaysa kumain ng dinner, I'm going to make cereal. Just a simple cereal for my dinner. Actually, dapat ang iniinom ko ngayon, low-fat milk. Pero nadala sa bahay yung low-fat milk. So, bumili ako ng fresh milk na lang kasi walang available na low-fat milk sa 7-Eleven. Pinabili ko to sa kapatid ko. Just like that, dinner is served. And then I'm thinking if kakain ako ng orange. Kain ba ako? Kasi kain ako. Let's go to my study area. Let's do this. Dinner is served. very sorry if lumabas itong vlog na to na hindi organized. It's just that super stressful ang day na to and super tiring and lots of review, lots of studying. Actually right now it's currently 11:43 p.m. And I don't know, kinakabahan ako. Like, alam mo yung kahit na nakompleto ko naman na yung review ko, I still feel unprepared or mal-prepared. Alam mo yun, parang confident ako but at the same time kinakabahan ako. Kasi we don't know what's gonna go out in the exam. Especially this is the 7th long exam already. I'm just releasing this kasi yung isa dyan tinulugan ako. So I think I'm gonna be up studying until 12:30 and then 12:30 I'm gonna be sleeping na kasi I have to wake up at 6 or maybe earlier to review again because tomorrow 8 a.m. is our exam in embryology and then at 10 a.m. is our exam at radiology. So yeah, it's gonna happen tomorrow. That's the exam. And I'm keeping this positive spirit so that I could not lose this momentum. I trust God. I trust everything. And yeah, I really hope makapasa tayo sa exam. That's it guys for my insert. Hindi yun nakakatuwa. Okay guys, good night. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 7:26. So the exam will start at 8. Mag-breakfast lang ako ng konting cereal para may laman yung tiyan ko. And I'm also gonna bring an orange para if ever na hindi pa dumating yung prof namin for radio anatomy exam and embryology exam, magpag-review ako while eating something. So yeah, quick breakfast lang muna tayo. Having breakfast para makainom lang ng medicine. Okay guys, I'm gonna drink medicine and I'll see you later.